What's up guys, and welcome to our latest episode. And for today's video, we're going to build the Blokees Defender version 3 Heavy Metal War with Grimlock on the packaging. So let's go ahead and start building this box. Let's go. Alright, so on the previous Blokees build that we had, I think it's the Galaxy version Defender. The box that we got is similar to this, unlike with the other Blokees that has sealed packaging and a hologram effect on the plastic. This one doesn't have plastic at all, but as we can see, this is a perfectly sealed box. We don't see any tapes on the side that would indicate tampering. So yeah, let's go ahead and open the box and let's see who is it going to be. Alright, we just need the help of our handy dandy multi-tool, pocket knife, Alright, so we got the box built open, and let's see what is inside and who is it going to be. Now we got our regular Blokees packaging, and I think I got the idea now who is it going to be. Anyway, the silica gel and a Decepticon. As you can see, it's a Decepticon. It's Longhaul. So let's go ahead and open the box and let's start building Longhaul. Let's go. Alright, so we got the packaging here. Let's open the packaging for Longhaul. Alright, no more parts left. So let's go ahead and let's start building this one. Alright, so we got our Longhaul vehicle. So this is a Decepticon as well, as you can see on the logo. And Longhaul is a recurring Decepticon character within the Transformer franchise. He is best known as Constructicon. So on this part, we know Onslaught is the one of the Combaticons. Then Longhaul is one of the Constructicons, so meaning they're construction vehicle, but they are Decepticons. So with these three, their combination, we would get Bruticus, but with Longhaul and the others, we would get Devastator. So there's two combination that we might get upon collecting these Transformer characters. So one is the Combaticons, the other one is the Constructicons. So Devastator and Bruticus. So with Longhaul, he is typically taking a form of a heavy dump truck, this one, and he is often portrayed as bitter, and he complains about his logistics role and yearning for more action in the front line. So he probably doesn't have enough screen time. That's the reason why he is like what do you call this, bitter in his character. So he is depicted often as a grumbly angry warrior, dislikes his logistics role, and he is a dangerous threat. I'm not sure if I have a the Longhaul in a robot mode, but let's check on this one. But other than being bitter, he is a loyal Decepticon character, and he is one of the again parts for the huge robot Devastator. But for now, I hope you like this video, and if you really love what I'm doing here, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ybrik Builds. And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you would be updated on our latest episodes. And that's it, guys. See you next time. Peace. Push.